Do you want to remain unstoppable? Do you want to remain untouchable? Do you want prosperity, favor, open doors, contract, employment to be your portion or your inheritance? Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I am going to show you how you are going to manifest prosperity, how you are going to manifest love, open doors, favor, contract, employment with just two materials that God has created, two items that possesses the law of attraction. And those items are: number one, your honey. Number two is sugar. So if you are suffering from stagnation, setback, backwardness, some things are not moving for you, make sure you watch this video to the end. Hello viewers all over the world, you are all welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual Tips. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, it's all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipe, spiritual messages, using the power of God, the power of the universe, and the power of our ancestors, using natural materials, natural ingredients, natural plants and herb that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energies, vibration, frequencies, and power in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. If you are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our family. This is a family where you touch one, you touch all. This is a family where everything that matters about you concerns me. Please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side to become a bona fide subscriber of this channel, and turn the notification bell to all, so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get a notification. Give me a thumbs up on my videos, which signifies the like. Comment on the comment section if there is anything you don't understand that I say on here, or if you have any objection or any option that you want us to look into. Just feel free to comment on the comment section. And as you do so, may God bless you. And for you, my returning subscribers, my bona fide viewers, my day one gang, those that has been supporting me, those that has brought me this far, those that has been trusting me in money and in kind, those that has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual material, those that has been testifying of what God is using me to do on here, I give you a double thumbs up. Leguenia, you guys are too much. The sky is your stepping stone. As nothing could stop the sun from rising from the east to the west, to the north, to the south, nothing will stop you from making it this year, 2023. And for those of you who are just coming in contact with this face for the very first time, I don't know what brought you to this channel, but believe you me, I can hit up my chest and tell you that if you continue to follow me, whatsoever that brought you to this channel, that which has been your problem, that you have been expecting the universe and God in heaven to solve for you, they are going to solve it for you through this channel, and so shall it be. Now, let us go to the power part information of today on how you can manifest prosperity, on how you can remain unstoppable, untouchable. When you are progressing, no one will bring you down. And if things are difficult for you, things has been difficult, you have been experiencing blockage, setback, disappointment, barrenness, people not favoring you, even the ones that you have helped in the past. When you call them on the phone, they discharge you with one thing or the other. Relax, cool down, go and do this recipe. Try this recipe out. We are using honey. We all know the power, the spiritual energy that honey possesses. Honey possesses the spiritual energy of attraction, attraction of wealth, attraction of prosperity, attraction of love, attraction of open doors. So we are going to use the spiritual energy and the vibration inside honey in order to manifest prosperity, in order to remain unstoppable, in order to remain on top, in order to keep progressing, in order to seek for that employment and see it. This particular recipe is very simple, I said, but it's very spiritual powerful. When you do it, you are going to receive an answer. Yes, this is number one item. We are going to be using honey. Another item that have power of attraction is sugar. Using the combination of honey and sugar, you will know that that yolk is going to be broke. that yoke of stagnation, that yoke of backwardness, that yoke of poverty, that yoke of nobody favoring you is going to be break. Listen and listen very good, because I am going down to explain how this work in your favor. Are you getting my point? At the end of this recipe, I will advertise my product. But let me go straight to the recipe first. Now, how does this work? We will be needing 1 cube of sugar on this recipe. Just 1 cube like this. That is what we will be needing. With your honey. And this recipe, you have to do it early in the morning by 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. And this has to stay in your house for 7 days. If you really want to attract open doors, if you want to remain on top and remain untouchable, if you want prosperity, favor, showers of blessing to flow into your home, go and try this out. 1 cube of sugar. You know, anywhere there is sugar, it attracts ants. And anywhere there is honey, it attracts ants. As sugar and honey attracts ants, so shall your life attract upliftment. So shall your life attract prosperity. So shall your life attract open doors. So shall your life attract showers of blessing. So shall your life attract employment. So shall your life attract love. Man will favor you. Earth will favor you. Woman will favor you. Love all over. Favor all over. When you do this recipe, how does this recipe work? 1 cube of sugar and your honey. Then you make your intention known. You start to pray. You know why you are doing this. If you are doing it for open doors, you begin to call God that sugar attracts ants, that honey attracts ants, that honey has a good taste and sugar has a good taste, that your life will have meaning, that your destiny will have meaning. When you go out in the day, you will come back with a testimony. You know your intention. Make your intention known to the universe, to God in heaven. Pray. Pray yourself out. If anything you need, just pray it with this sugar and honey. When you are done praying, making your intention known to the universe, take 1 cube of sugar. Look for 1 edges of your house. Drop it there and look for open honey and pour honey on top. Leave it there for 7 days. Do you know what you are going to do? Every early morning, you go to that spot that you have put the sugar and the honey. You begin to prophesy to yourself. Prophesy good thing. Enchant do good thing to yourself. Prophesy open doors, richnesses, customers, love, employment, whatsoever that you are asking the universe to do for you. Go to that place and say it. When you are done with it, so shall it be. Do it for 7 days and you will see you are going to remain on top. You will see your road will open. You will see man will favor you. Heaven will favor you. Earth will favor you. Woman will favor you. Whatsoever you do, you are going to prosper. Those that are forgetting you will remember you. Connection will come from east, from west, from north, from south. Go and try this recipe out. Tested is trusted. Anointing no be juju. I can beat up my chest and say this is tested and trusted. Go and try this recipe out. Yes. For those of you who will say that they did not understand my explanation, if there's anything you don't understand that I say on here, chat me on WhatsApp and I will explain it well for you. My WhatsApp number is +234 7088 136610. That is my WhatsApp number. Don't forget we have our own spiritual materials for sale on this channel. Yes, that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it and they have been testifying of it. I can beat up my chest and tell you that my spiritual products are tested and trusted. We have the road opening soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the crowd pulling soap. We have the love and affectional soap. We have the bath spiritual mixture. And we have the Equable Plus Detox for people who are suffering from one affliction of the devil of the other. If you are suffering from moving object or you have eaten something in the dream, and since then it has been from one affliction of the devil to the other, you have been going from one prayer house to the other, one prophet house to the other, one native house to the other. I am here just at a slight of a finger. That moving object that has remained so many years in your body is going to leave you. Just chat me on WhatsApp. Let us discuss on modalities on how I am going to ship my orders to you. Yes, and if you are suffering from any affliction of the devil, if you have any spiritual problem that you want me to come into, chat me on WhatsApp. Let us discuss on modality, how I am going to come in to help you. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. God bless you as you continue to watch my video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and well-wishers. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, which signifies the like. Comment on the comment section if there's anything you don't understand. I say, oh yeah, as you do this, may God bless you. Go and try this recipe out and come back with a testimony. Thank you.